Ang bayad talaga noon, talagang may mata. Ngayon wala eh. They only have the money. And they don't have this eh.
What do you say to other painters who say na si Mr. Malang masenso sa buhay because of his pagpe-painting, kaya yung art niya hindi na rin nag-grow kasi he keeps doing the same things. Puro barong-barong na lang.
I mean, it changes, no? If you notice, may barong-barong nung araw, it's really barong-barong, no? But now, meron kayo stylized na nag-iiba, but still barong-barong, no? That's what I mean, no? Di kaya nung araw na sellable yung ganon, up to now, I'm still doing it na ganon. Kahit na ayoko na, dahil sa porke nabibili lang, di ba?
I see. Okay.
That I want to avoid.
Now, I think you're one of the highest priced painters in the country. I mean,
yun nga image eh. It's because probably I'm associated with the first lady. Actually, si Ang Kyukok is even higher than me. Olaso is even higher. Bu is even higher than my painting. Ako naman kasi, I don't sell my paintings kahit saan eh. Parang marketing na yan, di ba? Yeah, siguro, it's probably because my wife is in business and we can afford, no? Pag meron akong show na it's all here, no? The buyers people I like, I ask them to come, no? They want to come, no? Pero yung iba na di kilala, I don't usually ask people to come here, eh. I don't, eh. As a rule, no? Mahirap din may tawad, no? I mean, I cannot even price sabihin ko, magkano ba yan? I cannot tell them immediately na ganitong presyo, no? I mean, nandun pa sa akin na nahihiya ako, eh.
Pwede kaya nga merong gallery, eh.
Precisely, that's it eh. Kanyang ginagawa dyan, pag meron kong show dyan, dinandyan lahat muna, no? Pipili sila, ito gusto ko. Sabi ko, kunin niyo ito sa loose.
Kaya
loose also gets it 30%.
And that's why the buyers go direct to you. They don't want to pay the 30%.
Iyon ang gusto nila. Pero wala, hindi ko ginagawang practice yan. Eh.
Dahil nga sa you're not protected, gano'n?
No, it's one, I don't want to break my exhibit, no? Gusto ko makita maganda. Siguro, palibasa, I'm still a beginner, no? I want to show the public na kung ang strength ko or may galing, no? Isa pa, I also want to protect the gallery. Yung gallery naman, we help each other.
How can we stop? It's not a stop, at least to discourage this. Ang daming mga galleries and the exhibit, walang quality control.
Yan nga eh. I asked yung impressions no? I don't know kung nandito ka na. Impression Gallery.
No.
Kila no? Yan, binigay kong concept niyan ala sa stage na exclusive lang kami sa kanya. But they have to pay us on a monthly basis. I mean, just to support us.
I see. Anong year to?
Siguro mga 3 years ago. Hindi nag-materialize eh. I mean, they go into so many things. Yung pera, lagi na sa money market. Kaya nahinto rin eh.
I see. So, what you would consider a bad effect of the art boom is itong parang nawala ng quality control.
Wala na.
I see.
Mangyari, sino ba man ang buyer? Who are the buyers now? These are the people who have money, no? Na gusto yung ganon, gusto yung kulay na asul yung punyets na kortina ko, gusto ko asul, no? I mean, nasa natin, how can you go on such an atmosphere?
Marami na talagang bumibili ng painting.
Madami na. Locally,
locally.
Unlike before, ang buyer namin, mga taga-embassy, who are foreigners,
Yeah. Now, yung this thing about pricing of works, no?
Yeah.
Because of the art boom and because of the sudden prestige of your generation, many people are saying na you people have priced your works
out of the market?
Oo, sobra.
Yung nga sinasabi ko sa mga young ones. It's the young ones, Sid. It's not, di man ang sala and our group, no? It's yung mas mababa pa sa amin eh. They're
Yeah.
pricing themselves out of the market.
Just because they want to
Just
pantayan
because
kayo.
sabi nila na mas mataas ang presyo ko kay Maransala, it doesn't mean na mas magaling siya kay Maransala. Ako, my point is ganito, no? As long as I finish it, nandiyan ang happiness ko, no? Natapos ko na, no? Mabenta pa yan, lalong doble yung happiness ko, no? Sila hindi.
Yung image ninyo na you're one of the highest priced, you're trying to resist that, but if you want to correct the impression in this book, why don't you quote a price so that the people will know whether you really are as terribly expensive as the Hoya?
Hoya is very expensive. I mean, yung size ko na 30 by 30, mine is 9,000, Hoya is 16, no?
And you think that other young painters are also priced as
The same as mine.
I see.
Gano'n, no? Minsan higher pa, ha? 30 by 30 inches. Minsan itong mga young ones na ito, hindi mo sila nagbebenta, so nakatago lamang.
Oo.
Magre-rent ka pa ng bodega para lagay yung mga trabaho.
But don't you think na merong snobbery appeal doon? Pag pinresyohan nila na mababa, sasabihin naman ng buyer, baba ng presyo siguro hindi magaling.
Hindi naman eh. Kanya nga, those are, yun pa masama natin. Ang buyers natin eh, alang kwenta eh. Compared to ours, let's say 1960s or the early, the late 50s, no?
Do you control the output of your paintings? Na hindi ka ba sinasabihan ni Arturo na huwag kang gawa ng gawa dahil sabihin ng tao masyadong marami?
Hindi naman.
Di ba sa States ganun eh?
Yeah, sa States. Yun ang sasabi kong dapat trabaho ng gallery. Yun ang sasabi kong professional gallery owners. Like to si Kahnweiler ni Picasso, no? Siya talagang control ang labas eh. Ito hindi. The more buyer, mas gusto na lintok na gallery. The more 30% they get. And they want to make money. Pero mga bata, he wants to sell. How can you control these things?
Extra.
Kung hindi talaga yung bata na talagang malakas ang loob, no? Like you cook, no? Na talagang malakas ang loob, hindi na this particular young painter will never grow.
I see.
Probably financially kakaroon siya, no? Pero artistically he'll never grow.
Let's go to the idea of a Philippine art, no?
Yeah.
Diba, everybody's wondering, wala man tayong Philippine identity.
Yeah, wala. Yeah.
Anong feeling nyo daw? I mean, do you think it's because bata pa tayo as a country?
Yeah, bata pa. Wala tayong roots. We keep on discussing these things, no? Yeah, wala pang roots. Besides, you cannot force this thing, eh. It will just come out, eh. It's not the subject na, let's say, Filipina, it's a Philippine art, no? I don't go for those things, eh.
Are you very optimistic about the future of Philippine art?
Yes, definitely. I mean, next to Japan, I think Manila is the second as far as Asia is concerned.
Yeah, sa quality ng art?
Yeah, quality. As a matter of fact, there are people who want us to exhibit sa Singapore, sa Taipei, dito sa mga Malaysia, eh. Kilala tayo sa lugar.
So, how do you recharge your artistic batteries? For instance, pagod na kayo, anong ginagawa niyo?
Wala, I don't wait for my muses to come, eh.
I see.
I just sit down and do it, no?
If somebody writes and says na Mr. The work of Malang is not serious art. I mean, it should be considered as decorative art.
Sa umpisa it hurts, tapos nawawala na, no? I mean, what can I do? I cannot change for the sake of what he has written, no?
So, anong first obligation ninyo as a painter?
I mean, to myself lamang, no? What period?
Hindi
I just want to enjoy what I'm doing. Tapos na. I don't give a damn about other people.
Iniisip ba ninyo kung anong susunod yung gagawin? Like,
I mean, I grow, eh. I mean, like a person, no? Hindi mo pwedeng, let's say, you're 1 year old, you want to be 16 immediately, eh. Ako, ang growth ko as a painter, madahan, eh.
That's it.
Mabagal, eh. Actually, I'm only painting for the last how many years? 67? Ano tayo ngayon?
67 ka no?
I mean, to talagang real painting, ha? I'm a latecomer, Sid, eh.
I see.
But I'm doing things na which pertain to art, like cartooning, no? Kanya akala nila matagal na ako. Say, mga early 60s.
Early 60s?
Oo, mga 63. That was my first one-man show. In 63 sa PAG, which are small ones na semi-cartoon pa, which I don't consider. It's a transition, eh. At talaga yung pinakano ko is 67 sa Gusgalde.
67.
67.
Ano yung exhibit nyo doon? Mga
May mga oil na doon. Tapos my
oil
second exhibit, one-man show.
Kung titingnan natin with the inflation and the art boom, no? During your first show, 67 kanyo, anong price range niyo noon?
Oh my God, yung ganyan ko is only 1,000 eh.
Yung ganyan?
Yeah.
Oo nga, very reasonable pa rin. Bakit takot na takot ang mga taong bumili sa inyo dahil ang mahal-mahal nila?
Ewan ko nga, that was the wrong, misconception lahat ng sasabi ganyan.
Do you socialize with fellow artists?
Yes, I do.
Sino mga friends na madalas yung kasocialize?
Ayan, si Kyoko, si Olaso, Gat Bunton, minsan si Mr. Ople.
Anong wala kayo ng professional rivalry? Feeling?
Wala.
Sino sa among your contemporaries whose works you admire?
Kyoko.
Kyoko. I see. Do you think Kyoko is already na-appreciate na yung works niya?
Yes.
Kasi anong cause do you think why there was a lot of resistance on his...
Because of the subjects. Actually, si Ang is a painter's painter. If you have you interviewed Ang?
Oh, yes.
Si Ang, alam mo, nung araw pa yan, talagang he quit his job as a teacher and he devoted his time to painting, no? Si Ang talagang pintor, no? I would say, no? Kami pa nung araw, nagtrabaho pa ako.
I see.
Sa Chronicle, no? Pero siya, hindi talagang pintor eh. At saka, he doesn't give a damn whether mabili yung, gusto yung trabaho niya ng wala, sige siya eh.
Sila gawa ng gawa.
Gawa ng gawa eh. Unlike other painter, pag sabing gusto ko ng ganon, gusto ko ng ganyan, gagawin, no? Kasi siya hindi.
I see.
Which I admire. Masyadong malungkot. Masyadong malungkot ba ng buhay niya eh.
I see.
I mean, he came to Manila on his own. Halos wala yatang support from his family eh.
I
mean, siguro kanya siguro ang output niya ganun din, di ba? Ako naman hindi naman I did not suffer, no?
I see.
I mean, to make a choice, why should I choose yung mahirap side, di ba? Siguro I envy Ang na nagagawa niya yung mga ganyan na gusto niyang gawin which I cannot do, no?
Ganun din siguro si Ang sa inyo.
Siguro, I hope so.
Kasi tinanong ko siya, ikaw ba, pwede ka bang magpinta ng masaya kagaya ni Mr. Malang? Sabi niya, hindi daw niya magawa eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung papintahin kita ng isang batang kumakanta para masaya naman, Sabi niya, pwede kong pinta yung batang kumakanta pero siguro kumakanta ng malungkot.
Malungkot siya, ganyan,
Kasi gawa ni Mang Enteng, anong quality nakikita niyo, hinahangaan niyo? Naging victim na rin siya ng kanyang pain.
I mean, with all his money,
he doesn't need to...
We keep on discussing this with Enteng, Ano pa sabi ko, ano pang pera mo dyan? Ano pang gusto mo sa pera? Why go back, no?
Naging victim na siya ng...
Nangyari yan, kanya ginagawa namin si Enteng. I mean, it's also for our own good, Pag ang masamang sample yan, natural, it will rebound to us, no?
But you never really depended on your paintings to support you?
No, but see if you will notice that I keep on painting, it's because I like painting per se.
What if they're not bought?
So, wala naman, okay lang.
I see.
But surprisingly, nabibili naman, no? No, ganito yan, no? Katulad ng iba, sasabihin nila, they've been working from 8 to 5, no? Kasi pag gabi daw, pagod na sila. Ako hindi, I work from 8 to 5 sa Chronicle. You know how taxing newspaper work is, deadline, etc., no? But I make it a point to work in the evening, no? Not exactly evening, but I sleep siguro mga 10, no? I wake up at 4 in the morning, no? I started working up to 9, then pasok na ako. That's a gusto ko, no? It's not because I want to sell. It's because probably siguro I want to go higher in my career, no? I mean, I don't want to be just a cartoonist, no? No?
Do you find your experience as a cartoonist na parang stigma, yung parang...
Cartooning helped me a lot, no? Siguro sa deadline, sa pati kamay ko, no? It's a practice yung control Tsaka yung idea, it helped me develop siguro my thinking, no?
Hindi ba, ang pagpe-painting ba hindi naman nakakasawa na activity?
Nakakasawa, it's a 24-hour job, no? Kanya meron akong araw na, which is in a way, good as I talk to people like Ople, mga tiga, ano yan, no? Tiga Gadbunton. Nawawala utak ko sa painting eh. But it's not a full-time 24 hours, 7 days a week na nakipag-usap naman ako sa nila, no? Because I do get bored, no? Kaya marami ko activities eh. Which in a way, palagay ko tama naman eh. Which other artist doesn't agree.
Na itong question ng size, do you think the reason why, ay kagaya sa New York, no, sa Europe, ang mga paintings, ganyan kalalaki.
Malalaki.
I mean, that is the normal size.
Exactly.
But in the Philippines, pag gumawa ka ng ganyan, akala nila pang-building.
Pang-building na.
So, anong reason doon? Bakit?
I think it's the market eh.
But the houses, for instance, of yung mga nasa Forest Park, the people who can buy these things, have walls na where you can put this na.
Yeah, pero alam mo naman yung bias natin, they are still not the type ng mga Rockefeller who really go for art, no? Sila naman eh, magkaroon sila na isang Malang, isang Kyukuk, isang Morsolo, okay na yan eh. Itong boom nito, no? Financially, it's good for artists, no? But artistically, it's not doing the artists any good, the art community any good eh.
Why?
If you notice, no, in, let's go back, no? In between the 70s, whom did we produce? Marami, no? Pero walang particular artist, no?
That's true.
Go back 60s, wala din. That's when the Madama started yung pinus niyang cultural, if you will say, revolution, no? If you'll notice, artists in this decade, no, are not working, unlike us, no? Like Manansala, Botong, etc., Morsolo, even the others, they have to teach, no? Just to paint, no? Pero itong mga taon na ito, hindi na eh. Kung ano mo sa advertising, it's hard to get an artist, no?
Yeah.
Because they paint. But are we producing, like, let's say, a Manansala during the 40s or a Botong during the 30s, no? Or during the 20s, a Morsolo? Wala. But they're all financially well off, May kotse yan, may dalawang auto.
So, nakasama din.
Nakasama in a way. It's because of also of the galleries, no?
Paano? Anong ginawa?
Ang galleries, matuto ko lang humawak ng pencil, they ask you for an exhibit. Kung makabenta ka, if you're a young one, no? Nakahawak ka ng pera, continuous na ang gawa mo na, okay, gusto nila ganito. Yan ang mabili. Yan ang pinyang gagawin mo. Hindi ka na mag-improve like a Morsolo. You don't grow, artistically, no? The bank book grows, no? That's what I'm avoiding, no?
Nice, yeah.
That's what Kyukuk, Olaso, and everybody in group namin is avoiding.
I see.
Kahit na nabibili yung ganyan na, may nabibili kaming, for example, yung era ko nung 1940s na, 1950s, no? Yung may mga cartoon. Up to now, maraming gustong bumili, no? But why should I go back, no?
You don't mind kung ano, if a buyer wants to buy a painting because magandang kulay, babagay sa kanyang sofa, sa kanyang kurtina.
Okay lang.
Ano attitude niyo?
Okay lang. As long as it's finished, no? But don't ask me to do one for you na let's say ganitong kulay. I mean, ayoko noon. Like for example, mayroong bangko dyan na, I won't mention name, no? It's a good price, Gusto niya gumaraw akong mural about banking. Kasi loob-loob ko sabi mo sa kanya, if I know banking, I won't go to painting.
What is painting meant to you? Para sa inyo, ano ang pagpipinta?
Enjoyment. For my own, I don't care about people, whether they buy it or not, as long as I enjoy it, period, tapos.
Anong ma-advise ninyo sa mga young painters ngayon?
What I did on my own experience, no? Just be honest with themselves.
Paano how would you advise them as regards sa yung paano kaya nagiging biktima sila ng galleries? In the sense na hindi sila nag-grow.
I mean, be honest. What I mean by be honest, do what they can really, handle, assuming let's say they can handle oil very well, no? Sige lang sa oil, no? Unlike pag sinabi ng gallery, do watercolor, kahit hindi mo kaya, gagawin mo, no? You're just forcing yourself just to get money, I mean, ang theory ko, this buyer will follow. They will follow definitely. Pero as I told you, yung mga gallery niyan, pupursin yung mga bata, Kanya still, there's the gallery to be blamed. Of course, they want to make money. That's their business. Kanya pag yung artist na young one, hindi malakas ang loob, wala na masisira.
So, for instance, sa mga anak niyo, ano ina-advise niyo?
I mean, I keep on telling, of course, I mean, we can afford. I mean, they eat three times a day, no? Sabi ko, just do what you want. No? Don't take the advice of the calories na gumawa ka ng pusa, madali ang pusa. No?
Ganyan, madalas kayo binabanggit si Steve. I think it's becoming quite known, no?
Yeah, oh.
Hindi lagi kayong binabanggit ngayon na parang like si Cesar Legaspi, ano, lagi sinasabi, you're the father of Celeste.
Yeah. Oh, sinasabi nga sa akin daw, mas magaling daw si Steve sa akin, no? Sabi ko talagang ganyan namang creation ko, magaling lahat.